Impossible! It can't be!
Pucker up and kiss your eye spots goodbye, Draken. It's so over.
Tell me that's a mirage. Tell me that's not...
Impossible!
A world without strawberry-scented styling gel? This time you went too far, Draken.
Impossible! What are you doing here?
Breaking up your party, Draken. You know how my feelings get hurt when you don't invite me to these deep space freak fests.
Impossible! How did she find out?
You know what they say. At the end of every stench rainbow is a pair of criminal crackpots.
Oh no! Not Kim Possible!
Okay, you two. Drop the soy sauce and step away from the sushi.
No!